In the second video for chapter 16 bills of exchange, today we will discuss the definition and features of promissory notes. Now, under the Negotiable Instrument Act, promissory notes can be defined as an instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker, unconditional promise to pay a certain sum of money only or to the order of a certain person. Okay, and according to the Reserve Bank of India Act, a promissory note payable to bearer is illegal. Okay, therefore a promissory note cannot be payable to the bearer. The name should be mentioned clearly. It is an unconditional promise signed by the maker. Now, what are the features? First one, it must be in writing. It must contain an unconditional promise. The sum payable must be certain. Okay, the amount should be clearly mentioned. Either say 5,000 rupees, 2,000, 50,000. It should be mentioned. Okay. It should be signed by the maker. It is payable to a certain person, as discussed earlier. Promissory note cannot be payable to the bearer. Okay, so it should be payable to a certain person. It should be properly stamped. Okay, a promissory note like bills of exchange does not require acceptance because the maker of the promissory note himself promises to make the payment. Parties to promissory note. There are two parties. First, maker or drawer is the person who makes or draws the promissory note to pay a certain amount as specified in the promissory note. He is called the promisor, drawer or maker. And the second party is drawee or payee, is the person in whose favor the promissory note is drawn. He is called the promisee. Okay, there are two parties to the promissory note, whereas in bills of exchange there were three parties. Okay, drawer, drawee and payee. Distinction between bills of exchange and promissory note. Okay, drawer, it is drawn by the creditor, and in case of promissory note it is drawn by the debtor. Okay, it contains an order to make payment. There are three parties. Here it's a promise. Here it is an unconditional order. Here it is an unconditional promise. There are two parties, drawer and payee. Here there are three parties, drawer, drawee and payee. Here the acceptance is must. Okay, here acceptance is not required in case of promissory note. In case of bills of exchange, acceptance is must. In case of bills of exchange, the drawer and the payee can be the same person. Drawer and payee can be same person. Here drawer and payee will be different. Okay, in case of bills of exchange, in case of dishonor, due to notice of dishonor is to be given to the holder. Notice has to be given. Here no notice is to be given. Okay.